Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Need to add up values that meet a specific condition? That's exactly what SUMIF and SUMIFS are built for. And yes, there is a difference between the two. Let's break it down. In this example, we're adding up base salaries from Florida. First using SUMIF, then using SUMIFS. Same data, two approaches. Here's the key difference to remember. With SUMIF, the criteria comes before the sum range. With SUMIFS, it's the other way around. The sum range comes first, then the criteria. Easy to mix up, so worth burning into your memory. And here's where SUMIFS pulls ahead. It lets you apply multiple criteria at once. Need salaries from Florida? In a specific department? Above a certain amount? SUMIFS handles all of that in a single formula. One function for simple conditions, one for everything else. That's how you make Excel. And if you're managing salary data, budgets, or any kind of conditional calculations across a team, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Turn your Excel model into a secure web app where your data stays protected and your calculations run automatically. Links below.